Thank you. So we will be doing some pumpkin cutting for this season.
It's Halloween, right? And it's Friday.
And look at this. So the first thing we have to do is kind of get inside it. Can you turn this around so we can see what it looks like inside?
Bro, make sure your kids just play some Sonic.exe.
Look at the inside. Can we get a look at the inside of this? Whoa. Whoa. Look inside of that thing.
Yo, that's a whole massive seed.
Yeah. Whoa. And that's the finished product. Whoa. Scary. But cool.
No, but it don't look scary. Look.
You think he's like kind of a happy pumpkin? Yeah.
Nah, I feel like a classic.
He's classic.